Hi, this is John from Homeneer.com. Today I'm going to show you how to change the brake lights on a Honda Jazz 2006. So let's jump in. Changing the brake lights on the Honda Jazz 2006 is really very simple. Even I can do it, although I'm actually a computer engineer and very rarely work on my car. So first you need to locate the rear light. It's up here, the brake light. So it's the top light here. It's combined with the backlight, so it has two bulbs in it. I made a mistake when purchasing the light, because I just checked the manual here, which is saying that the brake light is 12 volt and 21/5 watt bulb, and based on that I went to the store and first purchased these ones. They are the correct voltage and the correct wattage, and it has those two lights on it, so the 5 watt and the 21 watt. But unfortunately the connector doesn't fit to the Honda Jazz. So once I took it out, I realized that this doesn't fit, and I had to go back and get these ones, which are also the same voltage and same wattage, but they have this friction connection. So be sure to get this model with the friction connection when you go to the store. Okay, so still going back to the manual, you can see here there's an easy panel which you can easily remove with a screwdriver, and rotate the connector anti-clockwise to get it out, and then you pull out the lamp. So let's go in and try to do that. So here we have the panel which we need to remove. Just pull it out with a screwdriver. Which is almost easy even with one hand. There, it's out. So then we need to find the correct lamp, and it's a bit hard to show with the tight space here, but it's this top one here. So I'll just grab it and rotate it to the left, so anti-clockwise, and here the lamp. We can see it is burnt. One of the lamps is burnt, the other one is working still. So in my case the brake light is burnt and the backlight is still working. So this is a friction connector which you just pull out. It's a bit hard to do with one hand, so I'll go ahead and hold it and pull it out. And now let's put the new one in. So it's a friction connection, you just push it, then you can put it in both ways, it doesn't matter. And now you just push it back into the hole and rotate it to the right, so that's clockwise, to fix it back in. And that's it. It's back in position. So in order to test it, I'll just turn the car on and make sure it's functioning properly. Now with the car running, I should be able to see that the backlight is working. So here it's quite bright out here, but you can see it's functioning. Yeah. Okay, now we can see it's burning. That's great. Okay, so now that it's confirmed that the brake light is working again, let's just pop this cover back in. I think it's easiest to put this side first and then press on it to get it back in. That's it. That's it for today. So if you liked the video and found it helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for similar content later on. Bye for now.